Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I'm going to show you a loaded up 2019 Kenworth T800. It's heavier spec than what you're used to. It's got 16 fronts, 46 rears, X15 Cummins. It's 1850 torque, 13 speed. It's got 3/4 lockers and a wet kit. This one's only got 239 on the miles. I do have a pair of these. The other one's got just a little over 200. Identical spec trucks. I've gotten this one hot. Going to do a full walk around, show you what it looks like underneath the hood, frame rails, and to finish up with the interior lastly. Let's get started. Excellent body and paint. Frame rails are clean, new steers. Dual steering gearboxes. It's a nice bonus. Back of the cab's in extremely good shape. Frame rails are clean. There's no pitting. Matched virgin rubber all the way around. Excellent brakes on top of great overall condition. All aluminum wheels, air side fifth wheel. Really not much to complain about on this truck. I don't really see any major blemishes or flaws in it. It's extended cab as well, which is super nice. Gives you just a little extra room and comfort. Clean interior. There's your locker switches. Like I said, the total miles on this one's just under 239. Up to operating temp. Great low side oil pressure, sitting around 25 or so. Super peppy through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it should as well. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or if you need the pair of them, give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.